Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on POCO M4 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now click here on the three dots icon, then go to settings, and now click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to yep. So that's it for this video. If you like this, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.